According to the dots and the big shiny X, the treasure's this way.
Then I shall lead. Lions are born for bold strides.
As long as bold strides stop for snack breaks. I've got carrots to consider.
Carrots later, riddle now. The map says,
follow the riverbank where stones sing.
midnight's almost here. If we time it right, we'll reach the bloom when it opens.
Then we move. No fear, no dawdling.
Patience, young paws. Or we cut across the moonlit patch and shave an hour.
Clever? Shortcuts can bite, Fox.
I vote dancing! We prance right through and the flowers cheer us on.
Keep it steady. We need the plank square or it'll squeak.
30 degrees, give or take a feather. Angles make the frame sing.
And this piece, perfect for sliding down when we're done.
Slide first, roof second, or we'll get rained on mid-ride.
Roof's coming. One more beam.
This thread isn't from the bush. Someone set a snare here.
Then I'll guard the patch. No one nabs berries on my watch.
A reasonable plan, but we'll need more than brute courage. Traps are cleverer than claws. I can bounce over any trap!
Boing!
See? Oops, sorry.
Hear that? Every word bounces right back like it's thinking about it first.
Then let it think on this.
A clear signal. The cave repeats it, softened, so distant ears know it's safe.
Or they just know a lion's in here and maybe don't come in.
Easy with the vine. Let her down slow.
Got it. All together, 2, 3.
Keep the tension even, friends.
I'm evenly hungry. Swinging in, brace.
Splash
Pull it
incoming!
by the lash.
Over under, quick hitch!
Could not fire.
Look at this crowd, friends. Festival night is ours to dazzle.
And juggles I deliver. 1, 2, 3, round and round they go.
Ha! But strength keeps the beat steady. Watch this lift.
And words weave the music between.
Hear a verse.
See that cluster up there? Looks like a fox leaping. Stars love a good trick.
Ha! I see a lion standing guard. Mane and all. Makes me proud.
Constellations tell stories if you listen. Some remind us to be brave, some to be clever.
I just see a giant carrot.
Tracks are clear and the wind's with us. This bridge is the perfect lookout. Nothing gets past my map or my nose.
Good. We'll stand ready. If there's trouble, I'll meet it head on. But so far, all I see is promise.
Promise indeed. Every color here bends toward the horizon like an invitation. Hope is its own kind of treasure.